It's 9:15 and we have left from the base camp. It's around 7.5 to 8 kilometer trek overall. So we are looking for a great adventure. Kedar discovered something here. Probably
like
a old cannonball made of stone.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll take it and we'll clean it.
Tekatlan tekla ka katlan.
What's the time? It's 12:40 and we have this second shift for the night watch. We have made fire in 3 places, one here, another here, and the main campfire where we have cooked chicken, and that's here. So we have one dog here, and We are using Simpex light for the night as the main power source. We got two already sleeping there. One up to sleep. I mean, gonna sleep now. And tomorrow is the full moon day, so we have some moonlight today. So that's a good news. Okay, so yeah, some more chicken cooking here. 2:40 in the morning, and we are hearing more noises. We are cutting some more firewood. And we are boiling coffee. Okay, the next shift of the night watch is ready, so we are going to sleep now for 3 to 4 hours.
Hey guys, this is 5:30 a.m. now. A fire is still burning. The moon is going down. You can see. Hey Kishan. Hello Kiran. And this is me. Everything is good till now. We are expecting high activity now once the moon goes down. Hello friends, it is 6:15 a.m. now. Very frequently there is high animal activity going around, lots of sounds coming around, and we have also seen a pair of eyes reflection in the dark. This time animals are all around, going their way out, moving around everywhere. We have been hearing all sorts of activity here. It is the same team, me, Kishan and Kiran on duty. The rest of them are sleeping. It is almost morning now and daylight is coming up. So it is, all the skies are blue now again. And that's it for now, nothing else. Maybe once there is more daylight, we'll wake up and resume our other activities.
Yeah, finally we discovered something right near our campsite. That's our campsite. We did not come here last night because it was too late. So now we have found these. You can see the Nagdev. Well, this is a cane forest filled with canes. If you can see this vine, these thorns are too sharp and strong. These are not like any other vines, weak. They are stronger ones. They will tear your clothes and your skin. This is another amazing thing. Look at these steps. Look at these steps. These are so huge, but still fit. These are the steps. Okay, we are all set to leave the campsite, and the basic rule is do not leave any plastic or any paper or anything. So we have completed, not yet completed. We have successfully done a overnight camping here in Rajkote. It was a great experience. Very less sleep and too much of walking, trekking around. So morning we came here to check the trail path, and we found a proper path by which last time we traveled. So that's a good news. We will be less worried about the routes now because the route is already set. The time is 11:15 and we are expecting to reach the foothills within 1 hour because it is descending and it won't take much of time to descend. Only issues might be issues will be with the bags. We have huge loads on our back, and these hurdles make it worse to cross. Oh, people have not explored this forest properly. There is a very good chance that we might come across some historical monuments. It may be anything, art or weapons, but as probably we'll find more of weapons here rather than art, because this was a watchtower like this. The whole mountain, whole peak, as I told earlier, it runs around 12 to 14 kilometers, the whole peak, and that's how they patrolled the area and they guarded this place. Okay, they have almost reached the foothills. Now the dog is showing us our way back home. Last night he was totally exhausted. He had to climb a lot with us. I don't know what age he is, but looking at his body size, guessing 7 to 8 month old. He was exhausted totally.